What we have in for repair today is an Xbox One S, and as you can see, the HDMI port is damaged. Let's go ahead and take it apart and replace it. Alright, so now we've gotten the board out of the housing, and the HDMI port is right there. Let's go ahead and remove it and replace it with a new one. Alright, so we've removed the HDMI port. Let's go ahead and solder the new one in. Alright, we've installed the new HDMI port. Let's go underneath the microscope and take a better look at it. Alright, there we are underneath the microscope, the new HDMI port. All the pins look good. Let's go ahead and assemble the console, and let's test it. Time I'm here changing chips. There's nothing wrong with it. It's just the settings for my TV.